Allow me to share my itinerary and elaborate on how I would travel a land that is filled with so much beauty. I would set sail from Djibouti, and like our religion, I would arrive in the ports of Zayla and explore the wonders of Awdal. Take a selfie on the peaks of the mountains that surround Borame. But from there, I would fondle through the cleavage of Nasablod and make way to my birthplace of Hargeisa. I would exhaust myself from Waqooyi Galbeed just to go north and cool off in Berbera. But the Somali in me doesn't stop there. How could I neglect myself of Togder or the sweet scent of tea laced with camel milk in Bur'o? I want to spend the day back home so bad, just to spend a night in Buhodle contemplating Sol and Sanag, dreaming as if it was my last night as a soldier in Talah preparing for his last fight. Then in my sleep it came to me that La Sa'anod was the place to be, and the realization that this is a vacation but that is where we stay. You can blindfold me in Hudun and I won't go astray, cause surely I will find Airgabo and take a moment to pray. I would devour the best of tuna in Las Qurey. I would board a boat that is bound for Bosaso, go to the edge of Bari and back down to Qardo. I would go to Sanam for the sweet scent of cinnamon. Oh, how Doha Nugalet is so genuine. I would get lost in Garowe, just to be found in the valleys of Nugal. This is not the Buni flag, but they know us. I would invest in Galkaya where livelihood is robust, right to the heart of Mudug, and Hobyo is a must. I would find love in Abudwaq, so I'd be winning. I would do a concert in Galgadood, and this is what I'd be singing. Dadiyo, Dadiyo, Kudadala Nabad Nabad. Marching from the salty lakes of Albor all the way to Dusamareb. Her poetic lineage goes on, but only if I could show her. I would plant a seed in Shabelah Dahe, just to harvest heaven in Johar. Hiran is a bit different, but the beauty is the same. From Boulaberde to Jiqle all the way to Beledweyne. I would check on Hudur to see if Bakar is okay. Then I'm off to Baydaba and Dinsar in the state of Bay. But when I'm in Geddo, I would start from Dolo. Right to Aloq, I would speed to Garbahare. Slow down when I get to Jubala Hose, windows down, Raskamboni to Kismayo. I would make a pit stop in Jamame. I would stumble upon a fruit farm in Jannale. No place like home, no place like mine. I must see Jubala before I run out of time, and how the city of Jilib must be so fine. And that translates to come see the beauty of Marka. I would go to Afgoye where vegetation is sold, maybe catch a comedy show in Shalambod, but the allure of Wulawing never gets old. And I tell you this because it is you that I care for. I would end my trip in Banadr and wait for all of you at the airport.